Hi friends, in this tutorial I will teach you how you can fix sppsvc.exe which causes high disk usage. The service is belong to software protection platform of Microsoft. So here in this tutorial I will guide you how you can fix this and reduce the CPU usage. Before proceeding, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech and how-to videos. Now let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. The very first thing you need to do is to update your computer. Open your settings menu and click on update and security. In update and security, in the Windows update menu, click on check for updates and make sure you are running the latest version of Microsoft. It is a simple process, but trust me guys, this really helps removing or reducing the high CPU usage due to software protection platform service. This is the step number first. If this doesn't work, we'll go ahead and proceed with the step number 2. In step number 2, we are going to do the maintenance of your PC. For that, open your control panel. In control panel, click on security and maintenance. Once it is open, choose maintenance tab and under maintenance click on start maintenance button to maintain the speed and reliability of your computer. It will take some time, that's why I'm not going to go ahead. You just need to click on start maintenance button and the maintenance will start automatically. After that, restart your computer and check whether the problem is resolved or not. If not, we are going to proceed with step number 3. In step number 3, you need to check for the viruses and malwares in your computer. Use a good anti-malware software such as Malwarebytes and scan thoroughly your computer. This one is the third step. And in fourth step, you need to remove any KMS activator. A KMS activator is a service that you use to activate your Windows 10 or any Office product. So make sure you are running a genuine product of the Windows, whether it is Windows 10 or it is Microsoft Office. And lastly, if you still unable to reduce its usage, in the last step, what we are going to do is to completely disable this software protection platform service, which is SPPSVC. So in order to disable this service, you need to simultaneously press Windows and R key to open the run command, and you need to type here registry edit REGEDIT and hit the enter button. Once it is open, you need to locate a file in HKey local machine, expand it. In HKey local machine, you need to choose system, again expand it, and in system choose current control set. In current control set, again expand it and find services. In services, expand it and find SPPSVC, which is causing high disk usage. It will be in the alphabetical view. So scroll down to find the service. Here is the service SPPSVC. Once you find the service, in this right pane you will find an option with the name start. Double click on it to open it, and here in the value data change it from 2 to 4 and hit the OK button. After that, close the registry editor and restart your computer and check whether the usage is reduced or not. By doing this method, the SPPSVC service is completely disabled in your computer. That's it about this high disk CPU due to software protection platform service. If the problem is still persist, kindly comment below and I'll provide you more ways on how you can reduce it. And if you like my tutorial, if you like my video, again I request you to please click on the subscribe button and share my channel as much as you can with your friends. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.